Give you the win. The bigger person here, but I will not sit down and let innocent talk, even though something for do, get up too careless. Me know the careless girl thing we don't know. Me no inna the careless girl thing with uno. And no girl now get me for come out here come say with me now. Nobody no call me, do not continue calling it. Continue calling it and continue. The only part where me at defend is none of them people there. I didn't not have people coming on my phone. I'm not walking to look information about people. Me have all sorts of topic can talk. Know something that me not talk. All the time, me know we know something. Me always say because me tell you something. If me not deal with it, me no need nobody to deal with nothing for me. If me not deal with it because so nobody can send me out, me no punk. Me no come around. And me not send nobody to do this so because so me can't argue with anybody pan here. When me I go to sit down and beat up my chest and then when I check and start, me tired out. Me can't go look. Me I go look for me. Me I go make mine. Me I go do for my part-time job. Who no scrape for phone no content. Cost yes. 13 and that the one day a friend. 13 did that check out. This is nothing. Every time. Me want to know a certain individual that everyone call up me say about the one poor woman they supposed to cry. The woman they supposed to sorry that day, that fateful day. Certain individual. No, it's not Tina, it's my friend. Let me tell you something. I'm here. An obsession that cause all of this thing, you know. This crab in a barrel mentality. Obsession. This crab in a barrel mentality. Where we can listen to that the one they say, and because that the one they, and we, no, come on. You don't have no parents, you wasn't loved. For God. You get up every day upon one somebody, one some. Me love million, me not call up millennium. You see this thing here, you see money. Me know who I am. If I want something, I come out here, I'm an individual name. And them I go on like so them like a certain individual. I make this one another thing clear. At no time. You see they look up what's a petty lie them and I go look upon them. No blogger. I hear that a blogger was telling me to curse another blogger. You don't think me careless? You know what? You don't think me careless? I want to not fight no battle. Some of you know. Because some of you know to God and to man. Me, I like that lady. As a black sister, when me say doing good. I have no proof. She's not perfect, but she's a good woman. But me personally know say somehow not to God and to man. If we God out like man in strike and dumb somehow and cramp and paralyze, you know. Because I say if me talk something out here people, I think all the people one can talk, me can talk to. Just take it by me. And a tongue kill Kingston 30 time and it take energy and it don't look good. Because someone don't like it, woman. Someone is worse than the obsession, the obsessed enemies. Someone don't like the woman, who only have one like who not like the woman, just to get the woman people them to come. Some of you for full up for you get pay money for you monetize page. Some of you know to God you don't like the woman because things you used to do the woman out here. Things on you to the woman out there. Some of you are ashamed of not become long and hear that woman step on life. So there are certain things she will never forgive out here. And when it come back, I will do it. I will do it. I will do it. People going like the people are not big people per here. Me have this. Me do what me want. Me never come out here and go like me and nobody. I'm afraid of nobody. No, me don't do it. No. Me I got talk me truth. Cause me prefer come out here and talk me truth on go over on go up on one platform and knock me more than me come out here and say this pan of life and then behind me they round there. So no, me I come out and chat the truth. Me no worry about the comments them. Cause when me soon know, I'm going to wait for someone to come over here and I black out on the backside. Every God Almighty thing, all when this no concern people, no concern, and I mix up people in it. And 30, do somebody, and so what you did say, and so, then wait there, what? Make it make sense. Me if I come out for come give people life and then come stream and for come full them pocket. No, not me. Not me. Me not pick me not clarify nothing me not talk about, nothing me not business about, nothing. Cause me not about to no girl or no boy or no chimpan ya. Cause me where a woman me make sure me try to be militant like a man. So me no worry when nobody come, I prefer to be militant like a man. A soldier me deal, me know if I keep this. Somebody must can keep something. You must can keep your mouth. What? Me say this and pour me. Someone who just want to be important. Someone who damn important and who just want to be important. So this say no touch, no, me not go there so. Every time people can just get up every day and just contact for what? Lies and truth. And every time me have record, what the fuck me business? What will not try for over my business? I don't care. This is why I was very. Don't why I couldn't. Me did I hide. That's why I made a hide and a lucky things I did hide because if me never did hide it would have worse. That's why I did hide things. Because just imagine me did a pour out and everything me did a talk. Then it would have did worse. Because if me did a go behind back, and me did a hide a good thing. some of the things where I was accused of.